listen to this. Okay.
Got them Air Force Ones with them Air Force Ones. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. Got them Air Force Ones with the J's on the bottom. You see them? I got them with the J's on the bottom.
What's up, Royal Family? It's your boy, Kings 23 Kicks, back in the building, in the castle. Finna give y'all another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. That's right, we're gonna be using my product, GOAT. You know what I'm saying? GOAT Shoe Care Official. Link will be down in the description where you can get yourself 15% off by using my code. But I know a lot of y'all would be like, GOAT, what is that? But you know what? I'm gonna give y'all the real. Y'all know I always keep it a buck. You know what I'm saying? That's just what I do. But with that being said, we're gonna be cleaning these Pure Monies. You know what I'm saying? So there's some stuff on these Pure Monies I gotta show y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get it off. There's some stain on there. You guys see, look out for that net. And there's some on the laces. Look at that. It's on both of these. So your boy gotta get that out of there. You know what I'm saying? Because one thing about it, y'all know me, I love to keep a fresh pair, but at the same time, you gotta keep the pair white. You know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it right. So this is one of the best things that they have. It's called the Gold Standard. In this thing, man, first of all, the box is awesome. You know what I'm saying? And the presentation is awesome. You know what I'm saying? You get this black, nice box, trimmed in gold. It's the Gold Standard. And you know your boy with my royal family, you gotta stay with the Gold Standard. I mean, look at that presentation, man. That's awesome. So you get some sneaker cleaner repellent, you know what I'm saying, water stain repellent rather. You get some sneaker cleaner, you get some gold wipes, it comes with a towel and a brush. It's all you need to keep your pairs clean. You understand what I'm saying? It's the Gold Standard. So what I'm gonna do is quit talking. I got me a little bucket here. We finna get it on. Take this. A couple of little squirts off in there. Nothing to it. We're gonna grab this brush and we're about to get to it. Alright. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this one to the side. I mean, look at the bottoms. You know how I rock these things. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna set this one to the side and we're about to get these things out. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That's what we're about to work on. So let's get it. Matter of fact, let's do a little TV magic. So as you can see, everybody, those stains are gone. I think it was on this side. Was it this? I think it was this side. Gone. Look, I even hit the bottom of them bad boys. So as you can see, the stains are gone. They're even gone out of the laces. So what I'm gonna do now is lace these bad boys back up. I do not like lacing up 4's. It's one of the most trying headaches it is. You know what I'm saying? Lacing up 4's. What do y'all think is the most difficult Jordan to lace up? Me, y'all comment down below, but me, I would say 4's because it take forever, and 6's because they can be a headache, especially when you take them out of there, take the laces out and do a lace swap. That can be a headache. Especially, well, for me, I like to lace stuff back up the way that it was, even if I do a lace swap. So maybe that's why it's such a headache to me. And 4's, it just has so many freaking lace holes, man. So many eyelets. So the next thing is, today's one of my girl's birthday. Crazy. She is officially not a Rugrat anymore. So one thing that I did want to mention is, y'all see in the video that y'all got my daughter's reaction getting her 11s. And I tell you, she is one of my daughters that loves 11s. I think she likes them even more than I do. And that's kind of scary. So, and you see, guys, our laced up, ready to go, back A1, back clean. Pure Monies are back. It's crazy, huh? Yeah, see, light change. Matter of fact, we're gonna do a comparison. So getting it back, as you guys can see, they're back clean. Bottom is clean. I mean, they're about as white as you're gonna get, considering that you know I do rock them. But the stains are gone, and that is the most important part, is that the stains are gone. So Pure Money is back, fresh like new money. So that was my thumbnail, and just make sure that you guys use my code Kings23Kicks. Go Shoe Care Official. The link is down in the description, and you know what I'm saying. Get yourself 15% off for everything that you use. You know what I'm saying. If you want to do 15% off of each order, you can use my code as much as you like. There's no limit to it. And these bad boys are back. So the next thing that I would do is I'm going to spray the water stain and sneaker repellent, just to make sure that these bad boys don't run into no more problems like they just did. You know what I'm saying? So definitely got to make sure that they're going to stay on point. So that is it for another edition of Sneaker Cleaning Sunday. I appreciate everything. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate you guys rocking with me. We're on the road to 1K. We're almost there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that you like, share, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Tell a friend of a friend so we can get it going and get it popping. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, to all my kings, stand up, and all my queens, make sure that you stand beside your king. Y'all rule y'all kingdom together. And always, always remember, it's always the right time to do the right thing. It's never too late to do the right thing. Y'all know what it is. Peace. The presentation. Look at that. How can you not get with that? And see, everything's out of there. Stain's gone. It's even gone out of the laces. Definitely something that you want to oh, so one thing that I did want to mention, one thing I wanted to say is, at the end of this video, I did throw in